Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing video. And basically this took place because after I did my last mic review, I was thinking maybe it's not the mics. Maybe it is my room noise that's causing like the real issue. So what I did was I ordered a field recorder. And if I use a field recorder, then you don't have to have, or I don't have to have my computer on, which has a whole bunch of fans in it, and I don't have to have my mixer on. I can just record right to the field recorder and then take the file and put it directly into the computer, and then I'm not going to have like a bunch of extra fans going on at the same time as I'm recording. So what I did was I went on Amazon and I got myself a field recorder. And the field recorder I got was a Tascam. I think it's called a DR-60D Mark II, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry about that. I'm talking while I'm doing this. I gotta stop doing that. But it was supposed to come yesterday, and it ended up coming today. So sorry I didn't get my video out yesterday. So I bought myself one of the ones that said that it was a returned item or used item, whatever they call it. And it said that this one had, the box was a little bit tore up, but other than that, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the unit. So we'll have a look-see and see what she does. So we got the manual, and it is a DR-60D Mark II. So I guess I messed up on that one. And we got a USB cable. And we got a unit. And I know it was supposed to be small, but I didn't realize it was going to be this small. Wow, this is tiny. And people were complaining that this was big. It runs on 4 AA batteries. They don't come with them. Or you can run it off of USB power. And USB power is in on this side here. So you just open this up here, and then there's your USB port. And you can connect it to your computer, and then it'll power the unit, and then you can also transfer the files over. It doesn't directly record to the computer. It records onto an SD card, and you can put up to a 32 gigabyte SD card in here. And then what you're doing is like a file transfer of the card onto your computer, and then you can use it in whatever DAW you want. I use Audacity right now, so that's basically what I'm going to be doing. So that's not too bad. The other thing that they tell you to do is to make sure that you always put batteries in it. And you can use alkaline batteries or use the nickel metal hydride batteries that are rechargeable. And they kind of suggest to use those ones. But the reason why you always want to have them in here is because if something happens to the power this way, it'll automatically switch to the batteries if something goes wrong. And I'm not planning on having my computer turned on, so therefore I won't be getting any power from it. But what I'm going to be doing is connecting this up to a USB power block, plug the power block into the wall, and then just plug this into it. The recorder does not last very long on like 4 AA batteries. So basically, what I'm going to do now is I am going to learn how to use this. I read the manual a couple times, but I'm going to have to play around with it a little bit. And one of the things I'm going to do is I'm not putting it on this little table that's sitting over here with the mixer on it. I'm going to actually be moving that, and I'm going to be putting it onto my tripod because it has a screw on the bottom to connect to the tripod, and my extra hot shoe that I have right here, which has that little pin on it there. And this one actually has a little spot for the pin, so I can actually just put it on like this, and then it'll stop it from moving around. And there. Now, my hot shoe's on there good. It's ready to go onto the tripod. And it's not going to move back and forth because the little pin is holding it in place. So it's going to hold it right nice, steady and straight. So that's pretty much what I've got for today. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. If you liked the content, then please subscribe. I want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Bye.